Silicon Networks Group, 1975 Selmi Drive, Suite 111, Reno, Nevada, 89512. We're located at 775-358-6527. This is cybersecurity for the enterprise. Cybersecurity, prevention, control, and recovery. Protect your enterprise assets and employees working from home. Don't become a victim of the ransom virus or phishing attacks such as IRS and mandatory online COVID-19 testing. Identify current threats, inventory potential home targets, maximize security to the cloud, and monitor network traffic. Protect wireless networks, NIST framework for the enterprise, physical security, phishing, email imposters, tech support scams, vendor security, cyber insurance, email authentication, and web host. These are the topics that we're going to cover in cybersecurity for the enterprise and how you can protect your small business. Securing the enterprise with cybersecurity. Cyber criminals target firms of all sizes. Protect your files and devices. Update operating system software. Update applications. Secure data files. Require passcodes. Encrypt devices. Protect email accounts. Secure your access points. Require a strong password for access. Change the access point password monthly. Backup secondary access point. Backup internet service. Use dual routing when possible. Train staff on wireless use. Cyber criminals target firms of all sizes. Protect your files and devices, update operating system software, update applications, secure data files, require passcodes, encrypt devices, use multi-factor authentication, protect email accounts. Discussion point. What is the security risk in your home network? Is the wireless NV energy meter security risk? Is the wireless home network a risk? An email for IRS arrives requesting you to log in to claim your $1,200 check. What do you do? Your home network is on many levels a target, from email attacks to access point attacks, to wireless attacks. Even the Nevada energy meter on your home is a risk. Emails from IRS, banks, they're counterfeit. Just received one from Great Plains Federal Credit Union saying I need to log in and secure my account. The ironical thing is I don't have an account with them. National Institute of Science and Technology, frame inventory, all equipment and software, develop an enterprise-wide security initiative, roles and responsibilities for employees and vendors, identify procedure to limit damage by attacks, protect by updating all software regularly, have a formal policy for recycling used equipment, store securely paper files and media, know the location of all devices for the enterprise. Physical security, servers under lock and key, ventilation duct secure, use a UPS, uninterrupted power supply. Plans for power loss, remote locations, remote servers. How long is the recovery time? Vendor security. Who has access to computers, accounting support, web development, shopping cart services? What is the vendor security policy? Could their computers have virus signatures? Could the ransom virus be transferred? Could a vendor's computer be infectious? Look at the SolarWinds case, which is referred to as middleware. This SolarWinds had access to enterprise servers on a global nature. When SolarWinds was hacked into, these players had access to government, to big business, whoever their clients were. So a vendor's computer could be infectious. It could be a gateway to your network, even if you have the highest security policies in place. Cyber insurance. They provide a data breach coach, IT forensics team, credit monitoring, legal support, lost income coverage, public relations, reputation damage, and the cybersecurity plan methodology. It is not a case of losing your data. The critical element is recovery. Back up all data daily, test, restore monthly, use domain controllers if possible, manage DNS as a critical asset. Web host. Hosting websites, there's thousands of companies. They also host email. Are their servers secure? Can your content be infected? Can signatures be spread by your content? Is your shopping cart secure? For those of you that have WordPress sites, there has been an epidemic of WordPress attacks at web host. This is critical. Be careful. See how your website is working. Test each page on a monthly basis. There is a counterfeit redirection plan where they take over your web host, and then any link on your web page that somebody clicks on is redirected to somebody else. The infamous ransom virus screen, okay? Anybody that's been on computers a long time has probably experienced this. And sometimes they're actually real, sometimes they're fake. If you get this, what do you do now? It's basically saying that your hard drive's encrypted. The first question, is it encrypted? The secondly is, do you have to actually do what they want you to do? What do you do now? Networks of all sizes have been attacked. Do not pay the ransom. Turn the power off at the computer. Reboot the computer. Run CC Cleaner. Run antivirus software. Prepare for recovery methodology. Prepare, restore if necessary. Consider replacing hard drive with a new drive. Load reinstalled media. Build restored drive. Reboot. Run updates for operating system. Restore data. Secure remote access. Access your data from tablet. Remote access issues. Security debate. Should router access be tightened? Password policy. Hours of access. Access by exception. And alternative access. The first question is, how many devices should have remote access? How many computers should have remote access? Securing federal networks, National Cyber Security Protection System, NCPS, continuous diagnostics and mitigation, National Cybersecurity Communication Integration Center, Federal Information Security Management Act, FISMA reporting, High Asset Value Program Management Office. All enterprise users should evaluate the framework for securing federal networks. Accounting solutions, accessing accounting from the tablet, creating estimates, emailing estimate to customer from site, security issues and alternatives. It is really slick for a contractor to be able to write an estimate on the site and on a tablet and sending it over the internet to the office, and actually your accounting software prepare the bid and it's actually delivered to your customer. These are all things that are making life easier, but the security issues are high and you need to explore the alternatives. Cybersecurity plan. Conduct an asset inventory, know what laptops are, know where the tablets are, know how they connect, know where your software is, what it is, and how it's used. Once you've identified your data, develop a privacy policy. The question is who needs to see it? Protect data collected on the internet. Create layers of security. Plan for data loss or theft. Be aware of spyware and adware. Verify the identity of telephone information seekers. Employ network infrastructure to help protect public web servers. Commit to an ongoing process of maintaining web server security. The Gartner study. If we can't protect the organization entirely, what should we do? Cybersecurity readiness is a choice. Create adequate, reasonable, consistent, and effective controls that are credible and defensible with your key stakeholders, your shareholders, regulators, and customers, that you are spending the right amount on the right things in security. The Cyber Security Infrastructure and Security Agency. Cybersecurity best practices for industrial control systems. This is a good flow form to look at. Cybersecurity considerations, cybersecurity event impacts, CISA assessments in fiscal year, most prevalent in and out weaknesses and risk. Okay, evaluate this. Check, prioritize, test, and implement ICS security patches. Backup systems data and configuration. Identify, minimize, and secure all network connections to ICS. Continue monitoring access the security of ICS networks and interconnections. Disable unnecessary services, ports, and protocols. Enable available security features and implement robust configuration management practices. Leverage both application whitelisting and antivirus software. Provide ICS cybersecurity training for all operations administrators. Maintain and test an incident response plan. Implement a risk-based defense in depth approach to securing ICS hosts and networks. Proactively protect tomorrow. Consider risk management and cybersecurity governance, physical security, ICS network architecture, ICS network perimeter security, host security, monitoring security, supply chain management, and the human element. These are the Homeland Security recommendations. California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA. Does the CCPA apply to your business? What are the issues of non-compliance? What if your organization is located in Utah? The general feeling is that if a California consumer accesses your website, you're responsible for CCPA. So that means you really should be tracking where people come from. And if you're located in Utah, you don't have any California customers coming from a California IP address, there's not a lot to worry about. If you are selling in California, you need to look up the CCPA regulations and you need to work towards discussion. What does your organization need to do? How will they migrate there? Is new technology the answer? Silicon Networks provides GSA clients with cybersecurity solutions. As we expand into the small business space, small businesses can contact us about technology needs. Value add proposition. Call now for a free evaluation of your cybersecurity plan. The cybersecurity plan is the first step to cyber salvation. We're Silicon Networks. We're at 775-358-6527.